So guys, welcome back to the channel, Easy Crypto here. So today I'm going to bring you a little market update and also where our current portfolio is, what I've been investing in and where we're going to go over the course of the next weeks, and also long-term macro, guys. So I've seen a lot of confusion out here on the internet, on social media, but where we are with Bitcoin currently. This is my input into all this and what I'm making of it all, guys. So currently we're sitting at $69,000, nearly $70,000. We've been kind of sitting around these regions for the course of today, guys. We were the big push up, around 4% push up as of yesterday. So what do I see is happening here, guys? So what I see happening is we are trying to, this level of support, we're bouncing off this level of support, and then from these positions, I do believe if we hold above this position on the daily, then potentially we might be able to retrace or push back up to this $75,000 region, which we've never hit before, guys. So that would give us an 8.7% move towards the upside, guys. This is super bullish. I think there's actually a lot of liquidations around this particular zone as well, so it would take out all of them. In my opinion, this could happen. Now the other scenario, guys, is we break down from this point. If we close the candle below this $69,000 region, then in my opinion we are going to go down lower, and we're probably going to retest this $67,000 region, guys, to shake out a few more people. This is where the majority of the volume is trading at this particular point in time, and if we then break below that, which I don't think we will do, guys, but then the next real levels of support from here, which I'll be looking at, is around a $52,000 region. Obviously there was a few key levels around here which I need to draw in, but the main one is actually around this particular level here, which is $52,000. Do I see this happening? Chances are no, but realistically what I do think might happen is we close below this candle, close below this level, will bounce off the $67,000 region, and then come all the way back up to $75 to continue our market move upwards, guys. And this would send altcoins into a little bit of a haze, a little bit of crap, and we're going to see massive volatility in our altcoins. But like we always say, we're always going to hold on to our altcoins because we know what the macro level is. We are in a bullish trend. I checked MVRV today. We're nowhere near done. We're just at the start in terms of alt season, guys. So no matter what Bitcoin really does right now, we've just got to be patient with Bitcoin and also our altcoins. And literally 6 months time, we could make life-changing returns on our investments, guys. So the reason why Bitcoin has made this little move up here, considering our ETF outflow has been horrendous, because as you can see yesterday, Grayscale sold $276 million worth of Bitcoin. So you'd think Bitcoin's going to crash because of this, but purely what I think's happening is London Stock Exchange have announced they're going to file for a Bitcoin and ETH ETN, right, and on May the 28th. Now an ETN is very similar to an ETF, guys, except I think you have to hold a certain amount on a cold storage wallet, guys. So this is very similar to an ETF, and the institutions are going to be able to buy this. London Stock Exchange is worth trillions and trillions of dollars get traded within London Stock Exchange. So that's personally why I think we are seeing this uptrend with Bitcoin at the moment. But once this kind of hype wears off, I do think we will potentially close below this level, bounce off the $67,000 and go up to 75 and continue our move up, guys. Obviously nothing is financial advice. I could be completely wrong, but that's personally what I think at the moment. So yeah, moving on from there, guys, let's have a look at the market sentiment. What's happening on Twitter, guys? So there's a lot of bullish news, a lot of bearish news. I do see us just trending kind of sideways for a little bit longer, in my personal opinion. Alex Becker's going to release another video very shortly on what his next picks for AI are, so that's super cool. We'll be looking into that, obviously. L Crypto Prof, you know, one of my favorite traders, guys. Friendly reminder, USDT dominance recently broke through a trend line that had been intact for almost 6 years. MACD has shown very strong bearish momentum. When USDT goes down, altcoins go up. So are we on the course for an altcoin season very soon? Personally do, but it's all down to Bitcoin in my opinion. BTC, Rec Capital, another guy I follow, brilliant trader. If this ends up being the end of the pre-halving retrace, then Bitcoin will have almost equal the 2020 pre-halving retrace. Bitcoin pulled back 18% in the cycle, whereas BTC retraced just over 19% in 2020. So is my analysis wrong? Are we on the way up higher, guys? I don't know. It's all speculation at this moment in time, but we need to be prepared either way. Now, moving over to my portfolio, guys. So my portfolio here, where are we? How are we doing with my portfolio? So we're currently up $7,000, which I think is really good, considering today is another a little bit of a red day for our altcoins, guys. So main mover is Arweave. Love Arweave as a project. Decentralized storage. I do believe Filecoin will be the next one to run in terms of decentralized storage sector. My next pick is up $1,800. ChainGPT. I've been talking about this project for absolutely ages, and it's nice to see some decent returns from ChainGPT. HBAR coming in third, guys, with a 57% move upwards, $1,200, which is great. HBAR, is a long-term hold of mine, and I won't be selling it for a good while, guys. And then obviously my favourite pick for this bull cycle is Casper. Now we did hear some news about Casper potentially looking into bringing out their smart contracts, or working on it at least very shortly. They weren't very specific, which I'm not seeing as like a massively bullish sign for Casper. They didn't give much away at all. They just said they were looking into it and working on these smart contracts. So who knows? Is it going to be this bull cycle they bring them out? I'm not entirely sure, but regardless, this is going to pump regardless of smart contracts. It just gives another string to the bow for Casper. If they do bring it out, then that'll be even better. ICP is up 1,000%. Miria hasn't been pumping as much as I would like, guys. It's up $688 to 47%, but we had a massive move from Miria because of Alex Becker shelling it on his channel, and obviously him now partnering with Miria. He's partnered with Miria, and they're working to improve a lot of the features of Miria. And obviously because of this, we had a massive pump, a little bit of a retrace, and now we're only up a short amount, guys. But not to worry, I'm still holding it. It's probably my third largest bag in this particular bull cycle. Amulet, another great pick. And then coming down to more of a DGM play, VDT. Please check this one out because it's very small micro cap gaming gem, which is all about gaming and obviously real world assets as well. So you can aim at. It's like Red Dead Redemption 2. It's very much like that, like a Western style game. Very small market cap. You can own parts of the game through real world assets, and it's combining the gameplay as well as you can fight to earn rights to earn rights to buy particular parts of the game. Super cool. Success Kid not doing great. I got a lot lower entry point than this particular portfolio, so I am still up in profit on this particular one. Lit Labs is down. Hello is down as well. Now these two, surprisingly, are one of my favourite picks for this bull cycle in the gaming sector and the entertainment sector, but they have actually done the worst so far, which is really interesting. So you can see money hasn't quite flown into the gaming sector as of yet. Still yet to trickle in, liquidity is yet to trickle into gaming sector, in my opinion. And then Mint Layer continues to go down, but very sure that this is near enough the bottom for Mint Layer. So happy to pick some more up as a DCA play. What would you reckon would be a good addition to this portfolio? Please comment below and I will check it out. I'm going to add probably a couple more picks if we do drop lower. If Bitcoin does actually break the $69,000 region, we do retrace down to around the $67,000 region, I'll be picking up a lot more picks. But at the minute, I'm holding tight, seeing what Bitcoin is doing, and then go from there, guys. So this is one more bit of information that I wanted to bring to you guys. Is US charges KuCoin crypto exchange with anti-money laundering failures, guys. So if you have got any assets on KuCoin, please take them off there. If you've got any cryptocurrency or any fiat or anything like that, take them off this exchange. They're having massive issues. US has charged KuCoin crypto exchange with anti-money laundering failures, guys. So if you have, please take them off there. Put them in cold storage wallet or transfer your funds to your bank account quickly, because they could really stop you doing anything because of this. Right, guys, so please be careful with KuCoin at this moment in time. But apart from that, that's all I've got to bring you today, and I will drop another video tomorrow, another market update, see where we are tomorrow. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we're up, and I will see you on the next one.